Right then guys, welcome back to another episode of Map TV. Today we're having this Mustang Bullet S550 and we're going to give you a cost-effective way to save you thousands in tyres. This is the tyre off the car. As you can see, it's wearing on the inside edge. Now this isn't as excessive as what we've seen previously. We've had cars on 1,000, 2,000 miles and they're already showing cords, which isn't what you want on the price of these tyres. Now, they're not always matching, so you've normally got more camber on one side than the other side, but there's no adjustment. So there's a cost-effective way of saving tyres, getting a good feel for the car and being able to just set that four-wheel alignment. And that cost-effective way is an eye-back camber bolt. So it works by replacing the top bolt on the knuckle. It's got a cam lobe, and as you turn it, it pushes the knuckle either outwards or inwards, so you can set that camber, eliminate tyre wear, and like I say, get a good feel for the car. Right then guys, so as you can see, I've added a little bit of green paint to the knuckle just so you can see the movement. So as I move this spanner and move the camber bolt, you'll see the knuckle is moving either closer or further away from the shock, which is how you set camber. So you can either have positive or negative up to 1.75. This side's all installed, so we're going to get this side built back up, go to the other side of the car, apply the camber bolts. We're then going to put the wheels back on the car. The customer in his free time has fit an IRS base kit, so there's no better opportunity after fitting all this to do a nice four-wheel geometry setup. The car is on standard springs, it hasn't got too much suspension, so we're not going to go for a fast road, but we're going to put it to our specifications so the customer can reap the benefits of the upgrades that is installed. So then guys, there you have it. You've seen the install, we've told you what the camber bolts do, so we actually do this as a bundle, a couple of different bundles, so if you are interested in getting this fixed, don't hesitate to get in touch. See you in the next one.